Evolution is often misunderstood. Some think it means humans came from monkeys. Others think it's just a theory. But evolution is not a belief. It is a biological process that has been shaping life for billions of years. In this video, we will understand what evolution really is, how it works, and how Darwin's ideas evolved into modern evolutionary science. By the end, evolution will finally make sense. At its core, evolution means change over generations. Not change in one lifetime, but slow changes across many generations. Evolution happens when populations change genetically over time. If individuals with certain traits survive better, they reproduce more. Those traits become common. This simple idea explains the diversity of life on Earth. From bacteria to birds to humans. Before Charles Darwin, people believed species were fixed, unchanging, created exactly as they are. But nature showed patterns that didn't fit. Fossils of extinct animals, similar bones in different species. Animals adapted to specific environments. These observations needed an explanation, and Darwin provided one. Darwin proposed natural selection. It works in 4 simple steps. First, variation. Individuals are different. Second, overproduction. More offspring are born than can survive. Third, struggle for existence. Resources are limited. Fourth, survival and reproduction. Those with helpful traits survive and reproduce. Over time, nature selects the traits that work best. Darwin didn't know about genes, but his idea explained adaptation beautifully. Darwin had a problem. He couldn't explain how traits were inherited. Why didn't useful traits disappear? Why didn't variations blend away? The answer came later. From genetics. Modern evolution combines Darwinism with genetics. This is called the modern synthesis. It explains evolution through mutations, genetic variation, natural selection, genetic drift, gene flow. Mutations create new traits. Natural selection filters them. Genetic drift changes populations by chance. Gene flow mixes genes between populations. Evolution is not random, but it uses random variation. Evolution has no goal. It doesn't aim for perfection. It only favors what works right now. That's why simple organisms still exist. If something survives and reproduces, it is evolutionarily successful. We see evolution today. Antibiotic resistance, virus mutations, pesticide-resistant insects. Evolution is not ancient history. It is happening right now. Evolution explains life's diversity. Darwin gave us the foundation. Modern science completed the picture. Understanding evolution doesn't challenge curiosity. It rewards it. Because evolution tells us one thing clearly: life changes, or life disappears.